Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to run two games in BlueStacks. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to open up one game right here, and I already showed how to do the connecting component of this, but here we are. So I'm going to open up MapleStory Idle RPG, okay, and I'm going to hit on the bottom right here, multi-instant manager. Now, I think I made a video on this already, how to change Android versions on BlueStacks, but if I didn't, here we go. So this emulator right here is Pi 64-bit, right? And then I have Android 13 version on the other one, okay? So we have MapleStory on this one, right? I'm going to hit start. I'm going to open another emulator for Android 13. Now, if you don't have another one, you're going to want to go to instance, and you're going to go to fresh instance, or you can clone the same one if you want to, stay on Android Pi 64. But there's Nougat, Android 11, and Android 13. So I chose Android 13 because why not, right? And then next it's going to show you the CPU cores, the memory allocation, and things like that. So personally, I did low memory, I did enhanced, and then I did medium core. You can customize as much as you want to. If you have a powerful PC, you can do more than one. But while we have MapleStory on, we're gonna hit start on the other BlueStack John right here. Let's hit, excuse me. Let's hit start. Okay, so now as you can see, it's opening another BlueStacks right here. I'm going to pause, and we will be back once it opens up. All right, so the other one is fully running here. I'm going to switch to the other monitor here. Okay, and as you can see, we have the other BlueStacks open, and we still have, as you can see. So we have the other MapleStory right here. We have this one. Then we're gonna go over to the other monitor here, and we have this one. Let's open up Trailer Park Boys. All right, so now we have one app open in here. We have that running, and we have MapleStory running. So that's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? So now let's see if we can put them on the same screen. Let's do that. Let's see. We're gonna minimize this, and let's bring this over to the other screen. All right, so it is possible. So now we have two apps running at the same time, BlueStacks. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, Aqua, why would we use BlueStacks when we have Windows to link? Well, emulation just runs totally better, and it just, it's native, it's saved, and it's on your actual account. You don't have to keep your phone running. There's no overheating, blah, 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 things like that. You know how that goes. But yeah, that's how you have two BlueStacks applications and two BlueStack apps open at the same time. Okay, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.